Hello viewers, today we will see about Charpy impact test. Charpy impact test is checked according to IS standard 1757 and ASTMA 370. Its dimension is width 10 mm, height 10 mm and length 55 mm. This is the standard size. The notch cutting is in the center of the sample. Notch cutting is V notch and U notch. As per standard, we can use any notch. Today we will see about V notch. V notch angle is 45 degrees and depth 2 mm. Its base radius is 0.25 mm. Now let's see how V notch cutting is done. This is the broach cutting machine. This cutter is V notch cutter. Now how we will fit the sample in this sample notch? Cutting is done according to its height. First, we will fix the sample in its height. After fixing, we will lock the sample properly so that at the time of cutting the sample does not move, because notch cutting in the center is very important. Now this sample is locked. Then we will start it. This cutting is complete. Now we will check its angle and depth. We will measure its angle and depth. For angle and depth, first, we will clean the burrs in the cutting with the help of cutter. It is clean. Now we will check the angle profile of it V notch cutting. To check the angle profile, this is the profile projector. We will check its angle and depth in 10 times magnification. First, we will set the sample for its focus. After adjusting the focus in the sample to check the angle, this is 360 degrees. So in 360 degrees, we will set the sample in the center. Now we will slightly 360 minus 338 is equal to 22. Now we will match right minuscule. Right minuscule is 0 to 22. Left side is 22 and right side is 44. Standard dimension is 45 degrees plus or minus 2 degrees. Angle is perfect. Next we will check depth. Depth is 2 millimeters. Set 2 millimeters in micrometer. Set micrometer in upper minuscule. Move it to V notch and move is complete. Now we will match right. Minuscule. Now we will check depth. Depth is 2 millimeters. Now we will test this. This is impact testing machine. There are two types of impact testing: Charpy impact and ISOT impact. There are two options in this scale. Per division is 2 joules. We will check Charpy. We have already discussed sample size in Charpy. We will check in any grade. For each grade, we test. Now we will check temperature. From our room temperature, we will look at its condition. Contest temperature in room temperature. It is different in different grades, which is as per standard. So from room temperature to 0 degrees, minus 20, minus 10, minus 30, minus 40, up to minus 200. In this case, we have cooling chamber. It is up to minus 40. So as per standard requirement, we can do the condition here. For sample pressure, we will do the positioning of the sample. For this, we will use a tong. This is a standard tong in the sample, so we will capture it and insert it in the location of the sample. After the sample is placed in this, we will check the hammer. In this hammer, the striker is also attached according to the V notch. Now we will break it. See, the reading is 210. This is its reading in room temperature. As the conditioning temperature decreases, the impact strength of the sample also decreases. In today's video, we have seen about the impact strength. Then in the next video, we will see about the second test. Hopefully you liked today's video. So please like, share and comment as much as possible. And please subscribe to our channel as much as possible. Thank you.